No child left behind. 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 Back again, I use my back against the wall. Never caught on y'all, never count on y'all, always count on God. Back again, I use my back against the wall. Never caught on y'all, never count on y'all, always count on God.
He's done miracles on me. 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 He's done miracles on me.
By you.
Let me
Coke on a black skin made a stripe like a zebra. I call that jungle fever. You on that control the threesome, just roll the weed up until I get me some. We formed a new religion, no sins as long as there's permission. And deception is the only felony, to never fuck nobody without telling me. Sunglasses and Advil, last night was mad real. Sun coming up 5 a.m. I wonder if they got cabs still. Think about the girl in all leopard, who was rubbing the wood like Kiki Shepard. 2 tattoos, 1 red, no apologies. The other said love is cursed by monogamy. That's something that the pastor don't preach. That's something that a teacher can't teach. When we die, the money we can't keep, but we probably spend it all cause the pain ain't cheap. Preach.
Human beings in a mob. What's a mob to a king? What's a king to a god? What's a god to a non-believer who don't believe in anything? Will he make it out alive? Alright, alright. No church in a while. No church in a while. No church in a while.
Don't believe in shooting stars, but she believe in shoes and cars. Wood floors in the new apartment, couture from the store's departments. You more like love to start. I'm more of the trips to Florida, order the hors d'oeuvres, views of the water, straight from a page of your favorite author. And the weather's so breezy.
Chad, we're gonna need and relax.
Always be this easy. She in the mirror dancing so
need and relax.
I get a call like, where are you, Yeezy? And try to hit you with the old wacky till I got flashed by the paparazzi. These got me. I hate these more than a Nazi.
I know you love to show off, but I never thought that you would take it this far.
We gotta need and relax. Keegan, what are you rating? 100 likes. That's the minimum.
I know it's been a while, sweetheart. We hardly talk. I was doing my thing. I know it was
Brian.
Right, baby, hey, babe, lately you've been all on my brain. And if somebody would've told me a month ago, front and oh, yo, I wouldn't wanna know. If somebody would've told me a year ago, it'd go get this
DP Strat,
feeling
loading
like
soon.
Katrina with no FEMA, like Martin with no Gina, like a flight with no visa, first class with the
Only
seat
5
back, I
spots
still
available.
see ya. In my past, you on the other side of the glass of my memories museum. I'm just
Brian, you
saying,
think this is
hey,
good, bro?
Mona Lisa,
Wait till you
come
see
home. You know
OES
you can't roll
3.0.
without
Oh, shit.
Love to show off, but I never thought that you would take it this far. What do I know?
Flashing lights.
What do I know?
Flashing lights.
As you recall, you know
Alright, Chad, almost at a hundo.
Flash. Lights.
Gigs, just for today, we can't do NCS. I promise this afternoon we can do NCS.
So your stream gets good music and then I get hit with it.
Bro, I'll pay in for your stream as well. How much is it? $4? I'll pay that $4 we can make on the stream. Alright, Chad, we need a $4 dono to keep the tunes flowing for this afternoon. I think what we can do, Kigo, is we're gonna have a Vault Thunder auction here today for a $10,000 account. So how it works is whoever gives the biggest single donor through the stream will get the $10,000 account. But also it's cumulative. So let's say you donate 100 Rand now, and then later on another 100, then you're sitting cumulatively on 200. So we're gonna keep track of that.
Brian, you must ask him, bro. You must keep him honest.
Can't pay in if the week is red. Did you geopay keys? No. I'm not geopaying that, man. I luckily caught the gold bars yesterday, Brian. So we back in the black, but we're back in the black. But indices, indices. I don't know, Chad. I don't know. I think it's time to retire the indices. Okay, let's see, Kigo. Are we on a hundo yet? 81 likes. 19 more. I think I chose poverty this week, Kigo. It was like, why do I want to make money if I can just make a little bit of money?
You must pay attention to Keeg's vids. He says on numerous occasions, indices in London is a no-go.
But it was even a no-go during NYSE. So what do I do now? Do I trade in Asia?
Well, then you trade gold, bro.
Dude, I don't know. I think I'm just going to become a little bit one-dimensional for a little bit.
There we go, Emil. We love it. Get those likes up, mentors. You guys need to send some signals out today. You guys need to get those likes up.
Good. Let's see. I think we close 90. Alrighty. New strat. Yes, Brian. I think we sometimes just catch on cock, to be honest. Where are we, Kigo? 95. 5 more, Chad. 95. We can almost kick off here today.
Price is chill, bro. You can chill out, Jack.
2 more. 2 more.
That she wrote speech to the young, speech
Sure.
to the progress.
What a song.
Say to them, say to the down keepers, the sun slappers, the self-soilers, the harmony hushers, even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night.
Sir, flex I do work. Work 6 I'm like Mike. He's out of sight. Whoa, you done got me pipe. 2 man like Ike. 6 out the spot.
Into the night.
Yeah, I'm shaking the drop. I'm still up on
Hey, Carl coming in with the young donor there. Alright, Chad. Currently, account is going to Kyle. Is Kyle gonna steal a $10,000 account for 200 rands here this morning, Chad? Alrighty, Kigo, we've got those likes.
Yeah, bro.
You ready to roll, my brother?
Let's get it going, bro. Let him cook. If you made me like Snow White again, bro. Chad, he's doing me dirty, yeah. Chad, look at this. I'm near the same color as my shirt now. It's like he's trying to literally low-key just blend me into the background.
Keeks, okay, we have to get Mo in here. Mo did something up, bro.
You guys are chalking me, bro. This isn't right.
And I'm just getting smoother and smoother.
Nah, this isn't right, bro.
Look at this, Keeks. Smooth. Alrighty.
But I gave you some of the secret sauce there.
Chad, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. And Bonang, if you're listening, my brother, we need to have a serious chat.
Hold on, quick one. That's true. Where's our lights?
I think Ed is shooting something in the studio. And Chad, you guys heard me. Keeks, I think it was last week when I said, Bonang, don't let the barber leave you on 1 HP. And the barber left Bonang on 0 HP. He finished him. The barber finished my boy Bonang.
Yeah.
I initially thought that was a filter. Bonang,
Hey.
you can't go back to that barber.
He did you dirty, bro.
A barber that leaves you on 0 HP is a barber you can't trust. And that's one of, if I can give you some good information, there's 3 things in life you don't just change. The one is your barber, the second one is your lawyer, and the third one is your doctor.
I feel like I'm gonna even say my accountant, bro.
And your accountant. Okay. Yo, that did my boy dirty. When I saw that story, I thought he put on a filter, and then I saw him post the reel, and I was like, they really left him on 0 HP. Mana depleted, HP depleted. You can't even revive him. What did I call it there where you resurrect the guy in black?
The gulag.
Is it the gulag?
Yeah, he didn't survive the gulag.
Bro, he didn't even survive the... Not even an adrenaline shot can bring my boy back.
Yeah.
And the issue I've got now with a cut like that is he's going to go into this phase where the hair is going to start coming out. It's going to look weird. He's almost forced into being bald now for the rest of his life.
Do you think this was Bonang going into monk mode?
Yo, my dude. But Chad, we're going to get going. We've got 8 minutes till the open. But before we start, remember what I said about gold yesterday? We're going to talk about that average daily range. But before we start, we are going to pray here. So let's bow our heads. We've got 8 minutes to quickly capitalize here this morning. Father, we just want to come to you this morning and we want to thank you for another beautiful day. Thank you for being with us this entire week. And we just want to bring honor and glory to your name. Thank you for always looking out for us, even though we may fall and stumble. Your grace is sufficient for us. And even though we're not perfect, we try and guide our path and our ways according to your word. Lord, we just pray that you'll forgive us of all of our sins, Lord. And we just pray that you will extend your graces and your mercies that are new every single day to us. We pray for wisdom, insight in this session. Pray above all else that your name will be glorified. And we ask this in the mighty name of our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And if you believe it, Chad, you can drop an amen, right now. Amen, amen. Let's get straight into the charts. Fundamental chats, nothing too much. We've got some Euro CPI coming out at 11, but we don't trade indices anymore. Our tax problem is solved. Chad, DXY, dollar.
You're going to go to the Kanye show. What Kanye show? I know there's rumors of Drake next year, but I don't know about Kanye.
All right, Chad. So dollar closing back inside of this range, looking relatively bearish. We could go down. We need to monitor previous daily low. Asia lows, previous daily low. I'm gonna say 2 zones to monitor is this zone here. Is the music too loud? Music good, Keeks? That's good.
I'm jamming
Okay.
here, bro.
2 zones to monitor. I'm gonna be bearish while we are trading below these levels. Okay, so that is my idea. Only when I can get bullish is if we do something like this. Okay, that's the dollar for you guys. US 30, I'm not okay, let's look at US 30. But US 30, yesterday I mentioned to you guys that I am potentially bearish with the idea that we are rejecting that area right there, and then also we had that minor area up there. And I also mentioned that I'm actually still bearish on the week. Okay, so we are starting to turn bearish now. If we look at the weekly, you'll see that the weekly has now officially flipped bearish, and on the daily as well, I'm bearish on the day as well, at least to these lows down there. Okay, that's the range that we are trading in. Also, what we need to monitor is the previous, Chad, this yesterday, absolute mess, but there's the drop anyways. Previous daily low rejected, and then we've got this zone, so I'm going to be bearish up until we can get above here. That is a potential long idea. Otherwise, this thing's going downtown for the rest of the day. NASDAQ, let's look at NAS on the daily. Beautiful, NAS rejecting that area we marked out yesterday, taking out the previous daily high, and now effectively we've got a minor little zone here where we could maybe fight a little bit, put up a good fight, but other than that, we are going to fill that weekly wick. And looking at it, there was the retest. There's your previous daily low, there's your average daily range. So I'm going to say this entire zone here, if you want to look for shorts, either from here or even from there, maybe a little push into Asia lows. Sell mode on that. Gold is still bullish, Chad. What I want to talk about here while we've got 4 minutes left is, remember yesterday, please, I must actually go clip that and then I can blow up my own ego a little bit. But if you go to yesterday, just drop a 1 if you heard this in the chat as well. And I said if we hold above this average daily range here, we could potentially go 2 standard deviations. Okay, using it very similar as to how we use the pivots, and the rest is history. Obviously I just took 70 pips, that's enough for me, but there we go, 2 standard deviations, rest is history. So add that to your playbook, you can use it. Gold is super bullish. I love what we are doing here. Some very nice liquidity there. Retail's looking at that and saying finally the gold drop is coming, but we know what that means. That is going to get absolutely busted. When, I don't know, but for me personally, the ideal scenario here today is a pullback into this daily flip, previous daily high, 200 EMA, everything beautifully lining up there. That's where I want to get involved. Otherwise, what I will do is once we get a break here, I'm actually going to go for that all-time high play, purely because there's going to be a lot of orders sitting on top there, and this could be a very aggressive move. Then it can reverse, but that's what I'm looking at there. And last but not least, German 30 daily, super bearish. Yesterday as well mentioned that we've got the probability of either coming back inside of the range or coming back down. So we closed bearish yesterday, breaking structure, clean range all the way to down here. This is where I'll potentially not even look for longs. I'll just look at it and not trade it, okay? Because I also want to make money, Kigo. Chad, but this is bearish, very simple here this morning. If we get a nice little retest here and reject, we are going down. I can only be bullish once we are back above the previous daily low. Okay, Chad, but that is my rapid fire analysis. We're going to head over to Kigalezi, the one and only Poloni from Benoni.
Hey, appreciate it, Kawasaki. We are going to dive right into it, Chad. So let's start off with the dollar, what we can expect here for today. Chad, you guys are really confusing me. What's with the traffic in the background? I don't know. I don't know what some of these guys are on about. But let's have a look here. Remember we spoke about it being bearish. So the first thing we said was obviously these gap fills this week. So we had the first one we closed early, second one yesterday, third one has officially been closed. I think we actually might be just a little bit short, otherwise we did literally pip it. But that means we still have one more gap that still needs to be closed. So again, being quite accurate with the dollar this week. Again, as much as we do actually have a gap to the top side now, but I do still believe we're going to get a little bit more momentum, go closer since we are right down at this point in time. Weekly S1 still needs to come into play, especially that previous weekly low, see that being swept and then monthly pivot being tested. So at the end of the day, it's still going to be quite bearish on the dollar. Even though it's a Friday, we could see some pullbacks. Still going to be still going to be quite bearish at the end of the day. So just keep a lookout for that. Going over to NAS, what am I looking? Yeah, so big thing for us, we were quite bullish on the day. We wanted to see yesterday really go for those highs, but it did land up failing, coming a little bit short. The fact we are trading bearish here off the rip now, we are at that weekly pivot again. I'm almost going to say this weekly pivot for me is basically the last stand. If NAS fails at this weekly pivot over here, daily S1 as well, I think we're going to see almost a waterfall effect.
Let me just quickly open up these markets. Chad, markets are open and in motion, baby. This is the official round 9, penultimate round of the week. Ding, ding, ding.
There we go, Chad. So as you're saying, just to see the continuation of waterfall, taking out these lower wicks, and then as you say, back to the downside, we could see that move go all the way back down to these lows over there. When you look at it on a lower time frame for the daily, what we can really see is again the idea Asia highs and test the Asia lows. So if we do sort of bounce with daily S1, as I say, this can be the final stand, and it could possibly trade back up to Asia highs, EQ, all that is above us. But if we do, this could just be a trending downside day for NAS. Going over to US 30, almost a very similar play. Yesterday we spoke about this. The only difference, I said, NAS falling a little bit short. When we start to look at the candles that started that momentum, US 30 did take that out, even taking out the high of it, and then turning around. So again, this was a little bit in play for us. We did have the nice push to the top side that we spoke about, and then it did just start to melt, and that play really came in after that. So really seeing what happened over here, we can see what we spoke about, that drive up, coming back down, and then just waterfall to the downside. Monthly pivot, not absolutely held a little bit, and then next moment broke, had the retest, holding that yearly resistance, and just been one way since then. So again, the exact same as NAS, but I definitely think US30 is leading. So when I look at US30, I think that is already confirming that bearish momentum that we were talking about with NAS. So definitely going to be looking on that sell side for US30 and NAS if you're there. Then lastly with gold. Gold, again, very, very big day. Remember we spoke about where we've seen these markets going. Was a very, very nice one yesterday. The move coming in, a little bit of an aggressive move, but did come nonetheless. On the 4 hour, we are starting to hold out here, which I am starting to like. If we get an all-time high play, this is that scenario where I will love that all-time high play. Reason being is we have built up quite a bit of volume to be taken over here. As you can see, all of this rejection area over here. So you have quite a bit that if it does break with a closure, you want to see volume drive to the top side. Secondly, we will also then be, if we break in and hold there with that volume, what are we doing? We also for the first time are holding the daily R1. So we all know the drill. Daily R1 holds, daily R2 is going to become that next target for us. So what are we going to be looking there for? Very realistically, where we are trading, we had a massive drive into last night, getting us at 4,300 level, but 4,400 is on the table. So especially the idea that the daily on Tuesday 4,400 is in the middle of that point. I definitely think that's on the target there for us today. So depending wherever we get in, if we get in, we see volume drive, 4,400 would be a minimum TP for me. So definitely this is going to be the play for me. We're going to be a little bit patient here, but definitely going to lock in for gold.
Kigo. Beautiful, beautiful. Yo, I've got a headache on me. Let's see if I can get a headache tablet in this place.
Hey, Nizam. Appreciate the donor there, brother.
Is Nazam taking it? Where's the donor? Let me see. Alright, okay. So it's still Kyle, Chad. It's still Kyle. Joe, family show, Kanye.
You chose this.
Yo, no. Give me two. My head is clopping.
Sure. I mean, the tickets are expensive for Kanye. Considering you literally sit in the closest you can get, brother. So the whole field, Village at Ellis Park, the whole field is the stage, and you sit like in the stands. To literally sit in the stand, if you basically front row, it's 5,000 a ticket. But I mean, you literally
we have to go.
Like you're not even in.
We have to go. When is it?
13th of December.
We can't go. Okay, no, we can't.
What? You still here then?
Nah, no, but it's too close. We still have year-end function.
That is year end. We close on the 13th.
Yeah, no, but still, we can't. Don't get ideas.
That's a year end party,
gonna,
bro.
We're gonna live stream it.
That's a year end party.
Okay, I just want to finish this quick Kiga, then I'm done.
Kanye gewoon. Hey.
Kanye by the huis bly.
We have to go. We can't go.
Oh, bro. It's up and down, yeah.
I backtested a trade yesterday in August with the NFP in August. It was the same size as your average 5-minute candle these days. Scary stuff. Yeah, remember that's what we spoke about, guys.
Yeah, bro, we went for 150 on NFP and CPI. Now 150 pips is like...
Yeah, gold's had days. I mean, literally now. If we
Yesterday
look at
was
gold,
almost $90, dude.
But I mean, just even this candle. Let's have a look on this 5. Like a random. Let's take this 5 here. This 5 was 400.
400. 400 for the boys.
That's rough, bro. I mean, that's 4 to 84. Yeah, $40 move. Just seeing Chris picks keys while he's eating Asian Street square.
Chai.
Jax, I don't know where you been, bro. If you think we're losing money, I think you were on the wrong stream again.
The Jax say we're losing money.
Yeah.
Hi, Jax. Come on, man.
I keep closing my trades in drawdown. They usually end up.
Just don't close them in drawdown.
You gotta trust the trade.
Chris, okay, I cannot give you financial advice. Kindly note that these streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. But rather just say I'm happy to take the loss or I'm going to take the TP. Try that. And if you are saying that it goes to a TP, if you see it's 7 out of 10 times, then you can have the confidence to say that 70% of the time it will get to TP. We're waiting for two things here, my brother. We're waiting for this, or we're waiting for this. Just want to finish this quickly.
With gold hitting new highs every day, that could be a consequence for the economy when it keeps going up. Not really. Like the normal economy, I don't see where they're going to get affected by it. We are waiting for previous daily high or break of all-time high. We can take something a little bit in between, but basically, yeah. As trades relate so much to the wah, don't kill me, can only make me stronger. Now we go to wait, Chad. The fun part of trading.
Yo, this is fun.
What is happening here?
Okay, I'm almost done with my content piece.
You're nearly done with it, bro.
Yeah, Chad. At least share it or send it to someone. I've literally been spending this entire morning prepping it for you guys. That's why I even have a little headache. Just need like a song for it.
Look at you on that content ground, bro.
Bro.
Man's a machine here, Chad.
Absolute menace. Alrighty. Keeks, con and peace. Okay. Just need to. Alrighty. Chat, I'm gonna get to the chat now. Just wanna finish this.
I'm making a point of trading gold in Asia session. I don't think I'm turning back anytime.
Who said that?
Jared.
Jared, it has been you would chat. Asia, I'm even considering putting in maybe a shift for like 6 weeks, geeks, and then calling it a year. Trading and doing Asia.
You're gonna get chalked, bro.
got another word, let a picture or a decimal. Wrestling with God, I don't really want to rest. So, man, it's really lifelike. Everything in my life. Arguing with my dad, and he said it ain't Christ-like.
Bro, what did I say to you? Say to the group.
Che.
The bo-
Price is going up,
That's
Chad.
just today, bro.
Project G, price is going up.
Woo, bro, look at this. It's still.
Price has just gone up.
The boys are eating, bro.
Okay,
You're still fighting there, bro.
bro.
Here's the story about today. Are we learning about Trump? Maybe Bill
You
Gates.
gotta watch this. Even you would want to watch this one.
Don't be late to the party, Chad. Get in on OES. Insane move, wasn't it? It worked a double yesterday, so I got to see it through. I thought news had dropped. There was news of Trump. Trump did talk last night, but I don't think it was anything related to the markets. It was about some other stuff.
Oh, is it on my screen? Let's quickly have a look here, Chad. Gold just skyrocketed past $4,300, marking its best weekly performance since 2008. Amid safe haven demand, banking worries, US-China trade tensions, and rate cut expectations, banking and credit stress, concerns over bad loans in regional US banks rattled markets, triggering equity and financial sector weakness. US government shutdown continues, restraining fresh macro 99% off today only. Data flow and amplify independence on earnings policy cues, not Q banks, but just policy cues. And sentiment shifts, tariff and cost pressures. Companies like Nike, Levi, and others are flagging margin pressure from tariffs. This has inflation earnings risk implications. But there we go, ladies and gents.
Bro, but even, I mean, did you see, what's it, Prime? How much they tanked?
Prime.
Like Prime, like Logan Paul and that
Yeah.
thing. They had over $1 billion dollar market value. In 2 days, they're now 230 million.
No, but they're not listed, eh?
I don't know if they're listed.
Chad is Prime listed. I don't think.
I don't think they are, but there was a thing about it. They were just over R1 billion market value. And then, yeah, like 2 days, they tanked at like 234 now or something.
Oh no, it's not listed.
It's now subprime.
Subprime. That is very good. Whoever said that?
Do you think your car still has paint on?
As he started though,
I don't know. I'm asking you.
bro. I have to actually go look. I'm just sending this to you, Keeks.
You do that, bro. And you go peach ad.
Do you maybe want to have a look there? I already had a session with him. Just check. I think we actually need to catch our trade and go help the guy. Can you scalp gold? You can, my brother. But you can absolutely not scalp gold with Comet Capital, unfortunately not. You need to hold trades for longer than 10 minutes. If you were wondering. Alrighty, Chad. It's Friday, baby. We're just gonna wait here for our trade. Cashbacks are coming in fast. So if you guys want to get cash back for every trade you take, where's the link? Jexy. There we go. Jexy did it for us. Thanks, Jex. Ach, not Jexy, Rixie. Morning, Chris and Chad and Shard. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Appreciate it, my brother. Alrighty, gold seems ready to give us. Hands down, Vault Funder is the best. It like they want traders to get payout. Absolutely, my brother. Absolutely. Oi, Goldie. Shay. Goldie. Okay, let's get ready here, Chad. Let's get ready. Just it. $28. What is this song? what is this song? Hey Kanye. Joe the man is naughty. 3 minutes. And I wonder if you know what it means to find your dreams. And I've been waiting on this my whole. Chris, was the 1-2% rule implemented for traders like Bonang style? Carl, no, it was actually more to do with what FTMO was doing. So I use FTMO as the benchmark of the industry. So I try and here's the thing, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. They've been around for 13 years. So whatever they do, we do.
What happened to gold, bro?
It tanks. That's why I say they've been doing what they've been doing and it's been working. So there's no need to try and reinvent the wheel. Yes, Carl. Depending on some traders are limited to 1, some are limited to 2%, depending on your risk interview. close like this, I'm ripping, Kigo.
Where did you?
Check it.
Are you watching this? Yeah. You ripping, bro?
Are you gonna rip?
I promise. If I rip, bro, and you don't rip,
Are you gonna rip?
I'll rip with you.
Only thing is,
Nah, Jay. See how you?
no. I'm gonna rip.
and-
I'm gonna rip. Chad, all I'm saying is a 50 might be,
very tiny.
bro. That is 50. I might go half my normal size and just go for a hundo, because that's a hundo there. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. What are you gonna do?
I'll probably do the same with you.
Just I wonder even if off is. Okay, Chad, if we close like this, I'm taking a rip on it. Stops are going to be 100 though, so just letting you guys know, going half the normal lot size. Okay, I'm in.
So
Okay, Chad, so stops are 100. Bro, even 100 looks tiny.
sometimes I'm like, what are we doing, bro?
Yo, 100. So, hundo for hundo. Okay, there we go. I'm not gonna lie, it would have been lacquer to take the normal. But then also it's like. Okay, there we go.
I love it though. I love it though. You know? Put your hands to the constellations. The way you look should be a sin. You my sensation. I know I'm preaching to the congregation. We love Jesus, but you done learned a lot from Satan.
Bro, why does 100 look so tiny?
Hundo looks like a scalp, my dude.
I'm watching this, I'm like, yeah.
Kribo, you're doing well on the decks. Thanks, my brother. In and out 50 pips. Well done, my brother. Yeah.
Who's that, Brian?
No, Brandon. Only reason we cannot be ignorant that's literally 50 there. So you could definitely go your normal lot size and you would have been out. But you also have to adapt to the conditions. Because here's my thing now. Let's say you go your normal 50 and we are in quite a volatile little section here, and you just get pipped out a little bit and then it goes there. So
Yeah.
technically your stop should be there, but that is 370 pips.
That is a very, very big sum. You guys are mad with these ranges. Minimum size is huge stops, lol. Yeah, they are big.
If we get this, I'm gonna add another position.
Sheesh.
So I'll take the TP on this, and then I'll go normal size on that. Too bearish for my blood, and I'm still in a sell. Hey. Yeah, no, it could definitely go bearish. I'm just, I've got a very good idea. Before it can go bearish, we're gonna have to sweep this. We're gonna have to take all of that out. That is almost a magnet for price to just bust through. So I could, if you get something like that, definitely, then you could get a hard sell. But I first need to, I cannot really short anything with highs like this.
Yeah. 100%.
But let's first get through this little hurdle here. Well, we need to replenish our mana keys.
Mana's gonna be looking low here soon.
Did you didn't go break even.
Right?
Whoa. Getting close to mana replenishment requirement. 75% drawdown, 80% drawdown.
There we go.
Out.
Oh, quick haircut.
Now we have to come back. Let's replenish. Replenishing there.
Right now, bro. We gotta do a quick replenishment.
Quickly replenishing. Let's quickly replenish. They just have to create a wallet because this gets weird. Let us replenish.
Showtime, Chad.
Okay, here we go again. Reloaded. Have you reloaded as well?
Reloaded, bro.
There we go. Beautiful. Locked and loaded. Alrighty. I'm gonna wait now for this, Kiki.
I'm aware I'm a king. Back at the tomb, bitch. Back at the room, bitch. Stop all that coon shit. These niggas ain't doing shit. Them niggas ain't doing shit. Come on, homie, what happened? You niggas ain't breathing, you gasping. These niggas ain't ready for action. Ready for action. In the morning, and I'm zoning, I think I'm possessed. It's an omen, I keep it 300. Like the Romans, 300 bitches. We're the Trojans, baby, we living in the moment. I've been a menace for the longest, but I ain't finished. I'm devoted, and you know it, and you know it.
That's what I want to play it safe. You guys can judge me for that, but I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna go for the safer entry.
It's first, it's only if we get entry, bro.
Huh?
It's only if we get entry. Otherwise, if we don't get entry, there's no trade. It's 3:33 a.m. over here. By the time you guys come on, I'm usually in my trade already, but I save 0.5% to trade with y'all. Hey.
Yes, I think I'm gonna rip it now. Nah, I think I'm gonna rip it. Only young ones. Chad, I'm in. Nah, I'm in. Chad, I'm in. Okay, normal lots 52. Okay.
Come on.
Could be rinsed very quickly.
Yeah, could be very, very quick, yeah.
But then we just replenish again. Then we just replenish. We go till we win.
You just keep doubling up, bro.
Chad, I'm going for 100 on this. I'm going for 100 on this. It's not the safest entry. There's another entry I'm waiting for, so that's why I'm happy to put another bullet in the chamber. But I'm gonna use this 2R, and I'm gonna throw that on the other trade. There's another trade we're gonna take. So we're gonna absolutely rinse gold here this morning. It's gonna be a trading clinic. Almost like a golf clinic, but it's gonna be a trading clinic we're gonna put on for you guys. Just do this quickly for the project G, guys. I'll just share this, trade this. Yo, Kanye, no, Kanye, no, man. Hi, Kanye.
Oh, so bro, you were going in there.
Okay. Chad, this is already more than 50, but you do what you do. Don't do what I do, because you will lose money. But this is what I'm doing. I'm going for the 100.
We got runs, Chad. We need to make it back, yeah.
Yeah, so we at least wanna be back in the black, and then there's 2 more positions we're gonna take here this morning on gold, either this morning or this afternoon. There's a position we're gonna take somewhere here after we clap this, and then there's another position we're gonna take somewhere there. So we could be putting gold on a stretcher here today. A proper stretcher, not those outdoor warehouse stretchers. A proper stretcher.
Come on, gold.
Very close, very close. I'm still in, bro.
Come on.
It's sniffing it. It's like, do I hit this TP for the boys? Go. Come on. Don't do a JP finish space sneaky puff out of here on us.
Come on, gold. Gold, if you do us like this.
Nah, it won't. It'll push.
The volume's gonna come now at 10, and then we gotta.
We're gonna absolutely vandalize gold here today. Bro, that thing was literally...
Bro,
check
like,
Check
pipettes away.
Check, it was literally if I zoom in.
Come on, gold. Just do it. Just do it, gold. Bro, I promise you.
Bro, who's selling gold? Just buy gold. You want veneers, don't go break even. 100% Brian. Not even break even yet. It's TP or stop for me, baby.
Come on, gold.
Okay, do it now. Let's go, gold. Yes, that was so close. This is where you start to get a little bit emotional. This is where you like you're up 50. It's like 50.
Do I
Then
take
I'm
the
break
50?
even. I just missed my 100. What do I do?
Bro, we literally just missed it, eh? Like, we just missed it.
Nah, I trust the trade, bro. Trust in the process. Retracing.
It's fighting us here, bro.
Nah, I'm keeping this, bro. I might even just set my TP here, bro.
Where?
There, 360. I might even just do that. Put my TP there, call it a day. Leave the trade if it hits stops, it stops. If it hits TP. You know what? I'm actually gonna do that.
What?
I'm gonna put it there and close the phone.
Check at this man, guy. Chad, he's pulling it. He's pulling the JP here.
Nah, bro. Sometimes you gotta trust. Chad, yeah. Okay. Phone closed. I'm not even. If I hit
What's he
stops,
gonna
I
do,
need
Chad?
to replenish though.
Another replenish.
But I trust Chad.
Oh.
Now it's a show, Keeks.
Now it's let's see what this does.
I'm gonna take that TP and I'm actually gonna add another position.
Yeah, we want to see this, yeah, Chad. A little clinic here for you guys.
We say we're gonna put on a clinic. You want some, Keeks?
Nah, I'm good,
Some,
brother.
no, taste it. Some of
Nah,
it.
I'm good.
Really.
There's no uphill task. Gold is crazy today. Full margin traders will see their fate. That is.
Would we need to replenish?
Okay. I didn't throw a fit when you said you wanted to leave.
I'd need replenishment. Replenishment coming in.
By some dude who was more rather into greed. Played by your emotions. You were swamped by your needs. Told me I didn't believe. You said I was out to deceive. You said that I lied. told you everything. Didn't I? But you just couldn't believe. Man, I'm so peeved.
Yeah.
Your friends all up in your head.
Check out that clinic there, Chad.
When we're in
Are you gonna lock?
Huh?
minds elsewhere.
I'm here with you, bro. I'm just trying to keep myself busy. I don't want to look at it. I'm
Are
like,
you- no, but are you gonna lock now at 100?
You think you can
yeah, my TV's at 100, bro. I'm not.
against the wall, the wall, the wall, the wall, the wall.
You know that scarcity mindset's not gonna get you veneers, though. I'm chewing this biltong not because I like the biltong, but to get my jawline
To
as
get the
strong as
jawline.
JP's. JP, if you're watching this, what is the secret to that jawline, my brother?
That's stress eating.
Keeks, let's affirm 370 pips here for the boys.
370.
Chad, I'm manifesting 370. Actually, it's going to be, because with the second position I'm going to add, today is going to be a 600 pip day for me.
Man's committed, yeah.
That's why sometimes, Chad, it's not about the battle.
But I will say, bro, I'm leaving you there. I am break even now. Because if that now goes back down again, I don't like that.
I bet it won't.
So if that goes break even now, then it's...
Then he's going for those liquidity highs. Chad, here's the thing. A lot of times in life you may lose the battle, but you can still win the war.
Bro, if you actually notice, there's another one over here now.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm
So
going
if
to add.
this gets... Oh,
That's what I'm going to add.
that's the old one. Don't go break even.
Do you go break even?
I am break even, I'm saying, but don't hit my break even.
10 o'clock, bro. 10 o'clock. Massive dubs will be it. Massive. OTP email staying. Chris, but it won't. How we believe, Chad. Take your TP away and then stand up and we stretch a little bit.
What is that gonna do?
And then you let it move a little bit. Let it give it some freedom to move. Allow it to do its thing.
Chad, this guy's setting me up here with him.
Allow gold to move a little bit. Give it some freedom. Because we even have some trend line liquidity, Kiga. There's a lot going for.
Oh, now we're on the train lines.
Look at that. There's even a nice little trend line liquidity. I even think if I put a session volume profile on it, it's somewhere. Okay, we even have the session volume profile there. Come on, Keek, show the chat you've got some BMT in you.
I do, bro. But it's break even. You know you cooked and you whip out a trend line.
Keek, show the boys you've got some BMT.
Bro, I'm gonna let you go for it. This is your moment to make you great again.
Keeks, but I don't alone want to be great. I want to be great with you.
If you get, bro, I'll take my TP, and if we get the re-entry, I'll re-enter on top of that.
Be great with me, Keeks.
That is
Come
your
and
decision there,
be
bro.
great with me.
Just hit TP now.
Keeks, you know I'm not about that life of just going to the top on my own. I always stretch a hand back down, bringing the brothers up. Give me our phone, let me take that TP
No.
out. Bring the phone down.
You
Put it
stay
down.
there, bro.
Take away that TP.
I told you, Chad, I'll re-enter again, but just hit it. We are so close again.
Kigo, can we not close, bro? We're going for
Bro,
370.
I'll rejoin with you, but we got to get this one first. We need to replenish the mana from earlier, bro. If this thing just like missed my TP by 2 pips again, I'm gonna be.
Kigo, remember, we don't chase money. We attract money. Money just flows to us.
I like that.
So, we don't chase money, we attract it. We also don't make money, we collect it. Somebody ever says they're making money, they're lying. You can't make money, you can only collect it. Nah, bro, I'm ready to replenish that cartridge. Going for the big leagues here today.
You're going for the big leagues.
Is that your breaks?
No, I'm looking at T right now, but I'll tell you now if that was my breaks. Yeah, I'm out. BE Chad, I'm out. This is you now, bro. This is you now. This is you, bro. This is your show now.
Here's the thing, Chad. If you enter a trade, you should already be comfortable with losing the money.
Oh, the boys want to take shots.
What's that?
The boys.
Hard to keep my focus on what matters. Man, I'm hit my line like some just got hit up on your block. You can rest and sure it's not us. Sweeping out the wave, catching waves. They say we ain't seen you on the block.
At least we're changing the industry.
At least, they've realized 10 don't work.
At least we've changed the industry. The boys are now going for bigger trades.
At the end of the day, let's just see a P&L. Let's see I mean, let alone a funded account. I mean, boys can't even get past one of those.
Sorry, Chad, coming back to this, okay? You always wrong up until you proved right on your trade.
Jakes, you know the best part is they still on stream.
They still
they
trades.
still, yeah, they still.
3-1. Okay, Chad, that's me out.
You do another replenishment.
Nah, bro, I'm going today till we hit it big. I'm gonna replenish now quickly. I just wanna check something now that boys are throwing shots here. Let me just quickly check something here, Chad.
Jexy.
Money like that. Holy Father, please let me step in. Can't talk to buddy like that. It get bloody like that. Whole lot of
Did the boys get touched, Geeks?
Apparently, yeah. No losses. No one does it better like them.
Hey boys,
But
how
then
do you
again-
guys get touched?
But then again, I'd be worried if you couldn't hit a TP that small. Yet you want a mentor.
The boys got touched.
They want to.
Woo! The boys got touched. I love it. I love it. Chad, we are
Right.
just.
And you know the best part is people when they start things, bro. They start it and then they get hurt. They get emotional. Nah, Keeks, yo, I'm dying of laughter. The boys forget, bro. They forget they know what they tell us. Emotional damage, 100%. Gold is a bad tease, yeah.
I'm more than just an option. Hey, 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 refuse to be forgotten. Hey, 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 and took a chance.
Wait, in what month are we now? Ah, I must
September.
quickly replenish. Oh, no, October.
Oh, we're on October, yeah. Leave the hating for me and P. This industry is funny,
Shit,
bro.
I'm gonna have to replenish quick.
Jakes, you know the funny thing though, bro, is you make so much money, but I mean, I don't have to put cars in my intro that I don't have.
Yo, now it's shot for shot.
We can go account for account.
How it's.
TP for TP.
Oh.
Funded for funded.
Oh.
Payout for payout. House for house. We can keep this list going.
But not vintage for vintage, though. Not vintage for vintage, bro. Gotta go back financially to go vintage for vintage.
Jeez, what are your thoughts on money? Yo, bro, that is the worst guy. Minute tonnage.
Keeks,
Hi,
you don't have
guys.
to walk the entire canal, walk flat and buy a t-shirt of $200. 4 hours. Spend 250 rolls.
Nah, bro, we're not beefing. The thing is, Oaks take shots, and we always good. Like we happy. We always say the boys we lack it for a little bit of banter, but when you get touched and then you want to start throwing jabs back because it's emotional now. Hey,
Alright, Chad, we've got another bullet in the chamber. I'm just gonna wait for something and then we're gonna go for.
round 3. Ding 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 ding.
Alrighty.
You're gonna take it off this one now, bro.
No. There's something specific I'm waiting for, yeah. But it's gonna be the banger.
The bagger.
The banger. If we.
Bro, if this thing runs now, hey. If it runs.
Listen here. So that first trade went 40. No, it went 50. Did the first? No, the first one didn't go 50. No, it did go 50. Yeah. So this first one, that's 60. This one literally was
Are
99.
you working it out now? If you just took all the TPs and third time's the charm.
Yeah. Then we.
You know, it's funny, bro. Since that last closure now, and this candle again, that's already 100 pips. That little bullish candle now is 100 pips.
I'm gonna wait for VWAP break.
Oh.
I'm gonna wait for VWAP break. We're not gonna get
Honestly,
as
I
much.
prefer leather steering wheels. Alcantara is outplayed.
Is that Brian?
No, that was the horror. I just don't like to beat me personally. I've learned from both sides, so respect for both sides. Nah, that's all good. Keys, what is your thoughts on TJR? I love the man.
I love him as well.
He's just the personality. Yeah, and the content. His content is actually entertaining.
But have you seen the other guys, PB trading and that DD trades, trying to be like him now?
Yeah.
That, like, you can see they all trying to follow what he's doing.
Morning, boys. Chris, why don't you your dollar cost average in like you did?
No. I want to do quick. I don't want to wait. Alrighty, Chad. Dude, that thing was literally...
Bro, twice. That's what I still said to you. The second time when it missed the TP by like another pip again, and I was like, I didn't. That's what I'm like. That's why I was like, I'm break even, because if it comes down, it's gonna come down again, and that I don't like.
I was trying to show some BMT. I will cry a little bit later in the shower tonight.
Reholding previous daily high. Yeah, so the only problem for me is with that previous daily high, we almost creating like a little range there. So you're gonna break out, that's a definite. But it's a thing of, are you gonna break out bullish or are you gonna break out bearish out of that range? Rip it, Croway. They want to see it, bro. They want the clinic.
Chat, close above there. There's VWAP.
Woo! We're going again.
Nah, bro. Wait, did I replenish? Shit, let me just check. I'm talking so much cock.
Let's get in.
Oh, yeah. It's been replenished.
If I promise you, if it runs it now. If it literally runs it now, bro.
My private banker's gonna phone me now. Chris, what suspicious activities going on here? We just see bullets going out of your chamber. Trying to catch these gold longs. So I got my... Oh yeah, I did tell you. What's your chick's name?
Marion.
Shiham Lunat.
And he's your analyst?
Deirdre Peterson is the banking advisor, and then the private advisor is Shiham Lunat.
Okay, you have two different ones to me. I've got Marion and Ashley.
Thank you for your call. It was lovely chatting.
Mine is the same as your brother's. And Stuart, we all have the same one.
Oh, that runs for brokies. No, I'm joking.
Oh, okay.
I'm joking, man. No, I'm joking.
Tax write-offs, hey.
I think, so does Chris have the same one?
Yeah.
I think he could be a lot, bro. Because he's got some main character on him.
I know, when I went there, we were talking that day, and she's
Ek
like,
het jou probeer bel. Waar's jy? Ja, ek hoor dit nou.
but you know what? I think people really do cuck them out, like proper. So, I mean, that other day, I needed to get some documents. So I phoned her, doesn't answer. So I phone Ashley doesn't answer. It's like 5 minutes later, she phones me back. Hello, Keegan, I'm so sorry. I was just in another meeting quickly. I'm sorry I missed your call. What can I help you with? And I'm like, nah, it's chilled. Like, I need this. I just went in quickly and I got it. Oh, okay, no, thank you. Well, please, if there's anything, just let me know. I'll get it for you. And I'm like, yeah, that's chilled. Thanks.
Nah, I think a lot of the guys have some main character there.
I've done bigger, but we have to keep the Chad greater at 2Gs. Wait, what did Rixie say?
Rix have done.
I think we've all done bigger.
My account visiting a clinic.
What's this?
Ah, JW. That is beautiful.
Wait. What are we missing here?
No, JW said his account visiting a clinic to be resuscitated. It's the only clinic here today. Nah, JW, if this was up to you guys, I personally, I didn't go break even. That was 60 there. This one, I had my TP set at 100. It was literally 0.7 pips away there. So there was ample opportunity. That's why you got to take responsibility for your own trading account. This is not a signals group, so whatever you want to do with the trade, this is what I do, and this is what Keegs does. So
yeah, I mean, end of the day, don't follow us or listen to other people because, for example, I mean, you can post 500 and still never pass a funded account. There's always next week, JW. Jonathan, do the opposite to Chris. You'll make money all week long, boy. Come on.
No, but I think they would have stopped you there if you did opposite.
Stick to the rule. You'll be smiling if you kept 50 is 50. Ooh. Very true. Very true.
All right, Brian. Who said that?
Yeah, I keep 5 just
You'll be
around
smiling.
I was up for self. I was up for sale, but I couldn't tell. God made it rain, the devil made it hell. Dropped out of school, but I'm the one at Yale. Made the best tracks, and still went off the rail.
Yo, goals. The thing with now, guys, is I think when we get this breakout, we are going to get a nice trade. We've just been stuck in a bit of a range here now.
But I needed home improvement, $60 million home, never went home to it. Genius gone clueless, it's a whole lot to risk. Alcohol anonymous, who's the busiest loser?
Had a very good week. Thank you, 2Gs. Pleasure, my brother. Keep killing it.
Hard to find what the truth is, but the truth was that the truth sucked. Always in the do stuff, but this time it was too much. Everybody's so judgmental. Everybody's so judgmental. Everybody hurts, but I don't judge rentals. It was all so simple. I see you in 3D. The dawn is bright for me. No more dark for me. I know you're watching me. 80 degrees, burning up the leaves. Finally, I'm free.
Keegs, are you going to take this short?
If it sets up, I have to, bro. Had a very good. I think my account is safe here. You have to Dr. Brian or someone like who specializes in bringing back failed accounts. Do you traders ever set a stop for 10? You know what, bro? There's a part of me now which is like, you know what, we're waiting for December. It's like, do I just do it now, end of October? Just so we can put the vintage to rest.
I think do it, bro. Because then I can
Then
do it
it's-
December.
And then we just shit on them, bro.
You want to flex on them a little? Huh?
Just be like, sorry boys, what were you saying again?
Just flex on the vintage crew.
Hey Brian, you ready? It's time, bro.
I
We
think we
pull
do
that
it.
trigger.
I think we do it.
Make that ass shake. Whoa, make the ground move. That's an ass quake. Build a house up on that ass. That's an ass state. Roll my weed on it. That's an ass trait. Say
It's already in the pipelines. But it's like,
Just
do we
about
just
pulling the
pull the
trigger.
trigger now?
I still say wait for that December so you can get the registration. In
That's what I wanna do.
2025, yeah.
You know what? I can still wait because even in 2 months they won't get there.
It's literally you get in at end of the month and it gets registered as a 2025.
With 1 month left,
And it's
people
a
won't
month
care.
and it's like, yeah.
Let's say, but we can give it time. 500 still won't get them there. Ooh, bro. We say if it break out, chat, it's gonna break out. But this is gonna get interesting now.
Okay, wait, put it on your screen. I'm not doing the short thing.
I can't take it there, bro.
No, I know, but
I mean, hold on.
that's what I'm saying.
Crap, bro. I'm gonna get.
Are you in?
Wait, if this flips bearish, let's take it. We're gonna give it the chance. Remember, this is our little logic we had.
Oh yeah, you still have a bullet in the chamber.
I have a bullet, yeah, bro.
I had to replenish twice, so I went double ball here.
Let's see if it gives it.
But Keeks, yours will be delivered. You won't need to drive to Cape Town to collect that.
Yo.
Yo, Brian's got no chill in him. Brian's got absolutely zero chill in his body.
Just hit 350 pips on gold. I'm done. Gonna call it a night. Great trade.
Diamonds, stunning. Well played. Well played.
Bro, remember what we spoke about? Like, as much as I'm waiting on this, what if this is the play you were waiting for?
Yeah, that's what
What if this is your play carry now?
I'm not gonna short it. I'm just putting it out there.
But you know what?
I'm not gonna short.
Would make sense is this was yesterday. The guys that when I took that trade of mine, we literally waited for the hourly close, and then it popped. We had the bearish push down, the hourly next opened, and then it popped up. This is obviously 10 minutes into the new hourly.
So it could be the
This
top
could be-
wick to go down.
I still think it could pop. I mean, if you
Let's
look at an
ask
hour,
Brian. Brian, what do we do here?
nah, bro, because yeah, for example, like you still testing previous daily high, had a nice rejection. If this hourly is making the bottom wick and then starts to flip,
I'm not shorting. I'm just like while we've got this chat, I'll wait for the buys. While we have that, while we have all of that there, I'm not shorting. That for me, at some stage, is gonna rip. It's gonna rip. I'm just gonna wait patiently.
I think structure here is still in buy mode. Yeah,
Brian, here's my thing. This for me, if we had some type of sweep, but that there, Chad, that right, they're never gonna leave that untouched. Not today. But I'm gonna wait for, you know what I'm gonna wait for, Kiki. I'm gonna wait for that. Then I'm
Still,
happy. I'm still gonna wait for that, not this.
if we get this, yeah, I'll rip it on this.
But that's prophetic OES. Are you
But
trading the
that's-
prophetic OES? You can't do prophetic stuff. Yeah. No, I'm gonna wait for.
You wanted a clinic, bro.
I'll only take it with you,
You know,
if
the
you
funny-
promise. If you promise me we go for Asia Eyes.
Where's Asia High?
If you're gonna take 100 is 100 or whatever, I'm not taking it with you. I'm trying to. You need to make your decision now.
Hold on, bro. Give me a sec, yeah.
You've got 80 seconds. I'm not gonna risk another bullet just for 100 or 50.
I'm on TV talking like it's just you and me. I'm just saying how I feel,
That's
man. I ain't one of
today.
the Cosby's, I ain't go to Hill, man. I guess the money's
How can we sit in the same room as Chris Burdell and only take 50 or 100 pips? We might have the same keyboards, but we don't have that swing position, bro. This might be it. You've got 40 seconds to decide here, Kigo.
If Bonang was here, he would be in 3 bars with no stop loss.
Who said that?
Astray.
Oh.
If 43.28 breaks, then session is turning bear potentially, but he's still bull.
Yeah, I agree with you, Brian. Yeah, here's the thing, Chad. We've been on the buy side of this curve the entire week. Okay. You can see that 200 just holding beautifully. So if
I'm not
we
in anything I chat, just so you
if
guys
we
know.
don't get a push from that 200 now, and we actually start trading below it, then it can go bear. La la la.
I see your brother's out and about.
GT3.
Yeah.
But I think he's selling.
They're out in a check because there's the M3, the GT3, and there's the M2.
Oh no, wait, did let me see.
They had crocodiles up here. So you did get it. A-frame.
Hey, Mr. A-frame body.
So yeah, the boys are out. The M3, M2, and the GT3. You know, that's what we say. Like, your bro could be there, bro. It's like an M3 or something. It's like, nah, I hate the car, but like, let me just take the GT3.
But he hates the GT3.
He
though.
hates it, bro. He hates it.
That's why. That's why I think before end of December, I think this could be him having one last drive and then putting it on a truck.
Because it's end of the month, the touring gets here.
Yeah, it's in.
End of October.
It's being shipped. It's at the shipping. So he said on the app, it said it's gonna. He said by the time he gets to Sunridge, he wants to burn the car. From Royalston. He's like, when he gets to Sunridge, he's like, I don't want this car anymore. La la la. Alrighty, Chad, we are gonna wait here today. We're gonna get it. Brian, I think this could be similar to your trade yesterday. I think this could be similar to your trade yesterday. What's third time a charm, yeah.
They're trying to sell me here, bro.
Who?
These people.
Wait, sorry. Oh.
Bro.
Yo, sorry,
Yeah.
guys. Sorry.
Yo.
No, man, sorry.
DJ,
Keeks.
what are you doing?
Sorry. Okay, Keeks, I had some Kanye this morning. What do you want? Bro, where was the BMT when we needed it? Yeah.
I told you this is it, bro.
Young Boulet engulfing. Now, best case, we only gonna be getting like
Watch it run there
200,
now. Watch it run.
220. I might go for 300.
I told you guys, watch me put a clinic on you now.
Are you in?
Nah, I didn't enter because it literally.
Okay. I'm waiting for VWAP here. Keeks, what artist do you want? We're gonna play the best of that.
The best.
You're simply the best.
Ooh, let's go Fred again.
Who?
Fred again.
Fred again.
Yeah.
Is that an artist?
There's TP, Chad. There was that bloody TP. Third time lucky. Yeah, Fred. Fred again.
Fred again. Okay. Here we go, ladies and gents. Now that all of the liquidity has been purged and cleansed.
Simple question. Was market open at 9 a.m. this morning? If so, why? Well, that's what time it opens.
I want to just go for 300.
We didn't choose that it opens at 9.
I'm just going to go 300 once I get it. You happy with that?
Go for it, bro.
Oh, yeah, was that 100? Quick, 150. Could have been a 400. Oh, okay, but we can. Okay. Kigalezi. No. Okay, let's quickly remove that. We could be getting this, my brother.
Chris, you think we're going for all-time highs again? 100%?
Yeah, 100%. I can be wrong, but if I was a betting man, I'm betting on all-time highs again.
Okay, sorry, what I'm asking is I thought it's 9:30 when you usually announce. No, we always announce at 9. We start at 8:30, and it's always we start 30 minutes before market open. So we always start 8:30. Market opens 9, same as New York. We start 3:30 and then market opens. We start at 3 and then market opens 3:30.
Bro, how many bullets did I replenish today?
This is going to be your third.
Let me just check. Yo, we might be staying at home this weekend. Horogs.
Horogs out.
Yo, this is a lacquer jam, bro. Do you still have stickers on our car?
Huh?
Do we still have stickers on our car?
When I went out, we did.
Imagine we get there, man, use that high pressure. Stickers off.
Yeah. Who do I contact for the indicator? Support at 2gs-trading.com. Rixie or Nightbot, if you guys can, maybe just put it in there. Then click on the support email, will be there for you. And there goes gold. It's fine, we can still get in on chat, because I mean...
No, I'm still going to grab...
That's just still a big move you're going to catch.
I'm grabbing 300, yeah.
What a tune. Bro, do you not know Fred?
No. I know Sarah, but not Fred.
Chad. My boy's uncultured, yeah.
Okay, Kigi, so this is what I'm looking at. We're going to get either one of the two. Either Doom Doom, but it's almost going to be the same. Brian, have you taken a trade yet today? Usually when Brian is quiet like that, he's already chopped the market. No, he hasn't. No, Brian, I think I know what you...
No, Victory Lap it's almost got a little bit overkilled though, but it is a absolute banger of a song. His whole new album, from what he's teasing, is just mental.
Oh yeah, I know what you're waiting for, Brian. Yeah. I was almost like preempting what you're waiting for, with the idea to also then enter after we get that. Okay, Goldie.
I can't take aggressive trades. I don't have any hair.
You and Bonang are now in the same corner, Brian.
Don't have to even worry about the receding hairline.
Yes, I laughed when I said, Mo, how do you allow your man to get to 0 HP? And he's like, no, Bonang said he's just taking a week off to clear his head, but he didn't think it was literally clearing his head. Keeks, think if we had some coconuts, we would.
I'm just gonna wait for this break here, bro. That's all I'm waiting for.
Yeah.
That's all I'm waiting for there now. That breaks above. I'm in.
I think that's going to be the run. Ugh. Fred again. Alrighty. I can go back to my aggressive days, but then I'm done before stream and the chat needs me. Brian, that is why I like you, my brother. You a selfless dude, not just looking out for yourself, but also considering your fellow Chad here. And in a couple of years' time, Chad, I do think Brian could make it into the Honorary Hall of Fame for the Chads. Because once the channel hits 5 years, we will have a Hall of Fame inductees for guys that have been with us. It's actually going to be an event. Myself and Keeks are still deciding where. But yeah, it's going to be something special. So the guys that have been in the Chad for 5 years, yeah, you will be part of a select few in the Hall of Fame.
This is such a good song, bro.
Are you guys looking for buys? Yes. We've been in 2 buys. Keegan took a break. Even I took 2 claps. My booty got clapped.
This is my last year in streams. Next year, bigger focus, more goals, more travel. Chad, you never know. Maybe you're going to wake up one day and Brian's going to be sitting here.
Yeah, that travel part. That's why we were on a call yesterday. Just finalizing that relocation deal.
I am selling. Or nice. In P, are you crazy?
Come on, Brion. Come on, Brion.
If you want to show Plamena South Africa, bro, you have to make a stop in PE. PE easy.
GQ. Do you know how to spell Cubera? And how do you say it? Is it Quebera or what do you say? You say Cobera, Cubera.
What are you playing that it's on BBC?
It's Fred again.
No,
Delilah.
but I'm like, no, Delilah. It's a very good song, but like when you're up there, the fact it was on BBC, like what was this? Was it a show or something?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah. This is
oh, it's
quite
at a
a-
festival.
yeah.
Nah, bro, this is such a good song. You have to know this song.
I'll hear it.
If you don't know this one, bro, I don't know. Then you are having status.
Wait, let me just hear.
Yeah, this thing's fighting to give us 43.50. Chris, no bottom wick on 50-minute gold.
Alright, Chad, be patient. We're gonna get it. Is this the song? Or must it?
He's just doing it a bit different because it's live.
Oh, so it's building
He's
up.
building it, yeah, because
Okay.
it's live.
Here we go.
This, yeah, now you're gonna get to the chorus. As I said, you have
He's,
to know
he's,
this,
he's
bro.
edging us here, bro. Let's pump it up a little bit, Chad. See if we can get some volume here on gold.
Come on, gold.
Che, Fred again. Ints.
Banger.
Hey, Neil van der Westhuizen in the house, ladies and
Yeah.
gents.
Nila.
Nila will be one of the first.
The original Chad.
You know how Adam was the first man, Neil van der Westhuizen was the first Chad. He's actually the first UFC Hall of Fame. He'll be the first Chad Hall of Fame member.
Cam, you honestly confused me so much right there. Guys, pick one. Gold goes up to Asia High in the next 5 minutes, or Desi Johnson comes on a podcast strictly for clickbait, marketing, or sharing workout routines.
Gold, Asia's, bro. Daisy.
Who's Desi Johnson?
You know Daisy Johnson's. You always like his stuff.
Is that
the
Daisy
hurdless,
Jo-
the hurdless, bro. You.
Why would the clickbait and marketing?
I always see you like his stuff, and it's like Keegan's head bobbling there.
The
I'm
ball.
like- It's like, shit, my boy liking Desi.
Nah, to be fair, I don't know. That was just saying name.
Is it that Desi that is? Nah, bro. Desi.
That's what I'm saying.
I want gold, bro.
Gold is a strategy trade that way. So it looks interesting.
Wait, let me see if that is. I think she's Australian, Desi.
The bobsled. I like Desi too. Hey, Brian. Hey, Brian. Chris, you just should have warned me that marriage isn't for the faint-hearted.
Hey, nee Neil, ek het julle al gewaarsku. Julle boys moet nie nou jokkie. Ek het al gesê.
That's the Insta algorithm. Okay, so it is the same one.
Ja, Desi.
Bro, we were actually laughing about it the other day.
Bro,
Myself
Desi
and
is very fit,
we were
bro.
all laughing about. Okay, do you still remember who Tammy is? Okay, Chad, we had to. So for those of you who do know who Tammy Embrow is, we were laughing about it because we were saying, so she goes through husbands. I think she's been married like 4 times now. She's literally the fact, like she's very, very well known. And the fact she's on Tinder now. Hey.
Yes, the Desi. Desi looks very strong on the sled, eh? Just the Desi.
The for the best days in bobsled DTP. Hey, boys.
Bro, she's got that grey bloom chin structure. Those grey bloom guys always have these strong chin structures, and it's like everything's just under control.
Bro, first we started off with JP's jawline. Now we're onto grey bloom chin structures. I don't know what channel service I need, but I will watch that team win.
Who said that?
Brian.
Yes, Brian. Chad, have you seen some of those guys? They're always looking in control.
You know, it's the same for me, bro. I love the guys, for example, who never watch athletics. And then like World Champs or Commonwealth Games or the Olympics is on. Then everyone's watching the athletics, but like they're only watching the females. And I'm like, yo, you boys are naughty.
Ah, they're very naughty, bro. But here's the thing. We have to control. But we are still men.
I've supported athletics for years. If it doesn't, I'll just stay away. One problem is really messing with my mental health. Won't let gold add to it. Will Vol Funder have an option of instant funded accounts in the future?
No. We'll just start our own brokerage then.
Big difference between men and boys. Boys don't have self-control.
There we go. Brian, you see it as well. I'm like,
Aye,
bro,
boys.
you can't be so reckless. Like, I don't like stuff anymore. I'll see it and I'll look up like,
What was that?
Lord, is that you speaking to me? But you can't, bro. You can't like this. Have you stopped that now?
I've.
Yeah, you can't do it, bro. You just browse.
You just browse. We watch athletics for love of the sport, guys. Not for pole vault.
Because here's the thing. Remember, so your wife and your girlfriend, whatever, they are linked to your profile. So that if you liked it, they'll think, okay, this is Keegan's partner. She'll also like it. And then she'll just check Keegan's head floating there. Oh, shit. Keegan liked this. Why did Keegan like this?
Bro, you know what that reminds me of? It was back high school days when Snapchat was still a thing. And they brought out, what was it, best friends or something on Snapchat. And they could show your like snap streak and your snap score and stuff was with. And it was like, whew, that was dangerous. That stuff ended relationships.
Nah, bro, I don't even... Oh, no. No.
Chad, you know the solution to that though? You just change your profile picture to Kigalezi the goat. And then people are just gonna be like, check that little goat bobbing over there.
And I've seen Keegan, and I said, Keegs, are you not? He's like, nah, bro, I like what I like. And I don't worry. I'm like, hey, Keegan.
Oh, gold. You know, I'm at that point now. It's like I know that drill of if I walk away now, it's gonna give entry.
Yeah, let me go pee a little bit.
Like if I leave, yeah, I know it's gonna come hit me now. Chris likes then unlikes because he knows iPhone users still get the notification.
Wait, what? Chris likes and of course he knows iPhone users still get that notification. Nah, Brian. You see what Brian's doing now? Brian does it. So now he's projecting on me. And he's like, Chris, that's actually what I do. And I was like, Brian, no, man. Brian's projecting on me. Then it'll be afterwards like, Chris, no, I'm kidding. You don't do it, but I do it. Try it out. Yo, Brian, my wife is intense, dude. She Yo, she blitzed me about that post I made yesterday. I must still actually fully read it.
If you take the post down, bro.
No, I won't.
You're honestly gonna start killing that algorithm.
Yo, Chad, my wife's intense. But I love her to bits, and the Bible says you finds the wife finds a good thing. So that post was something that I made, like, what's your dream? And it's like, you want you and your bro to succeed. My wife not say, I didn't really like that. I didn't know you were that materialistic. Brian, you won't show me. Brian, I'm going to give you 5 minutes, and then I'm going to go into a profile, and if I don't see your head bobbing there, let me see. Chad, let's see if this man is a man. Okay, there's his profile. Let me go check. Brian, start with the pinned ones.
Start with the pinned ones. I need to see this.
Okay, I don't see anything yet. I'm not gonna lie, that second one can get you into trouble. That's where your prayer life needs to be very, very strong. Okay?
Yeah.
Keeks, let's just chat. Okay, we can come back to the stream. The second one, Kigo. This one. Let's just see if it can get us into trouble. So we just like this one. That second one? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna like it, and let's see if we can. You like it as well? Just timestamp this.
I love how you see he doesn't want me to get into trouble. Now he wants me to get into trouble.
But just like it now. Am I now the only one I like?
Yes. Wait, hold on. I want to read. Where's your head bubble? I want to see this. Wait, where do you get the head bubble? I just get it like quietly down there.
No, your head floats there, bro. I don't know if you...
You check that. Yours is just like, it's like low-key. It's just down
quickly
there.
like it. Let me just see if I see your head bubble. Okay, let's see. Do you think they might have taken the head bubble away?
Is it not doing it now?
No. Oh, I checked. Brian has been putting in a shift, Chad.
Brian's going down.
Nah, I respect it, bro.
Your head floats if they've made you a close friend. Is that a thing?
Nah,
Wait,
Brian.
what's a close friend on IG?
I don't know, dude.
I just know you have followers and following. What the hell's a close friend? Alright, Chad, you guys.
Bro, you won't go to a spicy pick and like it and see if you can get into trouble.
Why am I?
Oh, but you've already liked this one, bro. Bro, you've already liked this one. I can see that one right there.
Nah, I wouldn't even say that's spicy though.
Huh?
Nah, you know, bro. No, hold on. You know, if you get a spicy, we're talking like your OnlyFans type of photos.
Oh, Chad, yo, this is not spicy. Eh? I'm just letting you guys know.
I probably see. What are we looking at?
That's not spicy. Hey,
okay, wait, that's not the first. I didn't even.
No. Let's see.
Okay, that is there. Nah, this. If that was the first one, 100% I'll be trying for that one.
Oh, so you didn't swipe the carousel?
No, bro. Have you ever actually seen me on my phone?
Kiga lazy. Let me see. I want to look at all the spicy ones.
This man, Chad. He's trying to get me cancelled yet today.
This one, let me see. Yeah. Bro,
Guys,
you might...
you can't like that stuff, Raven.
Keeks, you might need to go like unlike
Yo,
because
bro, you're putting me in for a shift now. That's off the stream.
Keeks might need to go. Did Keeks have... Okay, what we can say is you and Brian made a joke and you guys... Okay, at least didn't like this one. I'll also go like all of them and then we'll just say, no man, it was for the Chad. The
Chad, this guy, yeah. Yeah. Yo, the man is setting me up here. Which type are you go for? What do you?
Oh, Chad.
Nah, Carl, you check. He's making me be like, there, that M car is gone.
Okay, Chad, I'm gonna randomly swipe, and then I'm gonna end in this discussion if you didn't like one of the pictures. So I'm just gonna go randomly. Okay. Okay, you didn't. Okay, I'm leaving. You didn't like this one.
Yeah.
You didn't like that one. But you like this.
Trevor drove over Geeks with the bus. Yes. Yo.
Now I got wrecked. Alsaby never goes onto IG, and the one random day, she comes to me. She's like, "What is that?" I'm like, "What do you mean? Is this what you're looking for?
Yeah.
Is this what?" I'm like, "Okay, I'm in trouble here. Is this what?" And then that day, that's remember, that's when I said, bro, like, have you not gotten chalk? Because I got wrecked for.
Nah, you think? Okay, hold on. In all fairness, yeah, no, bro. So like realistically, and that's why I say the things that are like OnlyFans type of photos, and the only if I that there, then 100% yes, I'm chalked, bro. I'm chalked. But the difference, obviously, with like myself and Kate doing the bodybuilding, like you always posting stuff where you basically have no clothes on. So it's always that thing of also you can't be getting upset if that's also the content you're putting out.
Oh yeah.
So let's just say, I mean, Kate and myself also have that relationship. Like, let's say 100% when it is a super sexual photo, things like that, 100% like you're gonna get shat on. But when there's a point of it. Then yes, it's also like, no, it's not really a hectic photo.
As daai is wat jy eintlik wil, Etty. I think women sometimes forget it's not really that deep with us.
Bro,
like
I mean,
we
just scroll like.
Women are very intense, and with men it's almost like you checked it, you maybe liked it. It's not even a thing. But that for them, they think about it. They sitting there at night like, oh, did he like other stuff? And stuff.
Yeah. Now I need to go unlike all Nana, just like.
Soldier, I'm always in the cuck, my bro. It's just a matter of how deep. Like.
Did you see when the Pope liked an OnlyFans model pic? Oh my. Yeah.
Yes,
Pope.
Cam.
So basically you can rather have gold go up to Asia highs. Yeah, Cam, that's from the very start, long story to your answer. Let's take gold to all-time highs.
But as much as my wife is intense, I think my life would be very boring without her.
I also think, bro, we would be full on DJs. Like, I would be catching on cock 24/7.
No, Pablo, I think there's a difference between intent. Okay, so there's something that you can like a picture, whatever. The person could be training, and you've got, let's say, appreciation for the human body and its ability, whatever. But then, obviously, this is where the intent comes in. If I'm going on somebody's page, liking stuff, trying to engage with chats, looking at it, starting to lust after that person, then it becomes a problem. That's like, we all know that. Bible says if you look at somebody with lust and even the idea of that, then you've fornicated. So we're not perfect in a sense, but I think it all comes down to the intent.
Yeah.
But the Bible also says that we should flee from sin. So I think we've all been in our life where it was like, I'm going out to a place where I'm going to sin.
Yeah.
God gives you the opportunity to run away, and then you run into the sin.
You read the way.
Clams! Woo! Dwayne. Because look, there is fleshly desires. We do have it, but I think we can't let it control us. But we also shouldn't shy away from it and be like, oh no, I don't like that. That is horrific. Why would I want a wife with a bum as chiseled and round as that? Not for me. I want the ones that look like they've got some hail damage. If it wasn't hit by the hail, I don't want it.
Sure, bro.
Must be act. G-Man, so I was actually on his best man on his wedding. And we weren't really great mates, but so Keeks, listen to this. Man, I didn't even know back then like there was a thing as Tinder. Goes on Tinder. His wife's friend says, "Hey, did you see what's her name? Let's call it John, for instance. You see, John is on Tinder." And she's like, "No." And she goes and shows him. And he's like, "No, his laptop got stolen, so maybe they created a profile on his thing." And she was like naive, like, "Oh no, his iPad was stolen." 3 months later, again, and her friend stays literally like a block or two away from her. And I think it works on a radius, like.
Oh yeah.
She's like, "Yo, but this profile is still active." And she's like, "It shows it's in this area, so the guy who stole your iPad must live somewhere here close to us."
Yeah.
Yeah, they got divorced. Man is like, she's like, "No, but listen here. I think the guy that stole your iPad must live somewhere in our complex."
Chris is in the red on the charts and at home today. Hail damage is crazy.
Looked like she would
playing with their lives today.
look like they were hit with a barrage of paintball guns.
Raven, we are not. No, there's no 2Gs playing with their lives today. I don't know what coke this man's on. He's decided, bro. If I'm going to the doghouse today, I'm dragging you with me. I did not volunteer for this one. He's just taking us both down with the ship yet today.
Keeks, that I wreck you a little bit.
Bro, you are. I already know it's coming, bro. I know it's coming.
No, but does she watch the stream though?
Bro, the office is like 2 rooms down from our studio.
No, man, just act normal.
Check this guy, Chad.
Just act normal.
Check this guy, yeah.
I wanna get pee quick and I'll just check what the vibe is like.
Chad, but you see, here's him. I know him. If it's like the vibe's chilled, he's gonna go stir it now. Watch him.
How do you know me, Keeks?
Bro,
Okay, Chad, I'll be back. Give me a second.
this guy's gonna nuke me now, Chad. I'm gonna get you back, bro. Watch. It's coming. It's coming, bro. It's coming, bro.
Let me see what's happening here.
Ah, this guy. Hey. Act normal. The stream is hilarious. Makes up for the losses. Love it. Nah, Chad. He's gonna be sleeping with one eye open tonight. Keeks, you must put Cribbo in timeout from your circle. Chris be like, so, KTD. Let's trade. Bro, there's nothing to trade. We're literally watching gold. There's nothing happening. TG's gonna come back with 2 teeth after the weekend. I'm gonna make it in the profile for Chris. Woo! He's get them goats in his yard now. Bro, I promise you, I'm going goat shopping now this weekend. He's 100%. He's getting a goat. Gold. I honestly thought for a second, I was like, I'll be phoning Chris, and I was like, bro's already gonna get chalked. No stream next week. G's are under house arrest. Bro, actually, you are a good guy. I appreciate it, bro. We always say, guys, I mean, our partners are, both myself and Chris, we love our partners. We're still boys, we cash on cuck. But, as you always say, there's never intent on it. There's never, I want to say, further act on that, but yeah. Let me go see what Chris likes on Insta. Nah, bro, I promise you, he's got karma. It's coming for him. It's coming for him. I'll see. Tried to call you. Come, bro. You going down in this ship with me?
Did you WhatsApp her?
No, I didn't. Why would I ever WhatsApp her, bro?
Keys, I'm gonna just first. That's why quickly go out. I'm gonna talk to Keys.
You going down with the ship?
No, Keys. So I'm honest. I didn't. The vibes are very chilled. If you gonna go out and make a scene, then there's no vibes. It's very chilled.
Dad,
So just be, dude. I promise you,
bro. I literally,
bro. I swear.
I literally have to get off stream now, and I have to go with Kay to go pick up shit for the wedding.
I promise you, bro.
I'm in that car and I get wrecked.
Keeks, I swear the vibes are very chilled. It's very mellow. I promise. Don't make a scene now in the car. Don't even. Just chill, bro. Just chill.
Check this guy.
Just drive. Everything is very chilled.
Catch on cuck, but keep it clean, cuck. Yeah. When your bro does you dirty, you rock up to his crib with a goat. 100%.
Keeks is gonna suss out. Have you checked this new feature on IG? Let me check your phone quickly. Okay. Wow. Yeah, I think you must delete IG. It's not good. I just listened to Andrew Huberman podcast.
He recommends you just delete it.
No, okay, Keeks, I swear to you, bro. I'm not gonna throw you under the bus. But if you message Elsby now, so you're gonna miss the gold bars?
Chad, do you hear this, man?
What?
I'm not gonna throw you under the bus, bro. You just proceeded for 30 minutes to ride over me with the bus.
Yeah, but there's the thing, Keys. There's always there's always restoration.
Yeah.
Bible says pain may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Might take you 12 hours for the joy to come, but it will come. It will come.
Shit, guys, my wife Googles with me. We've been together through too much to worry about other people. Yeah. Nah, to be fair though, Ricky, 100% Kate and myself are actually the same with that.
No, my phone is open. My wife can pick it up. I leave it there. I think as soon as you get to the stage where you're protective over your phone, then I think you catch your own cock. If you can't openly say, here's my phone, then you're busy with the wrong stuff.
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
Even in trading as well, if you can't show me your terminal when you're in the office, you are busy with the wrong stuff.
Or if I can never show you anything of my trading. So she can open trades for you. She can. She just mustn't go in with my lot size. She can go in with a 0.01 or something.
Hey, look who it is, ladies and gents. Say hello to the Chad.
Hey, Chad.
How's the vibes? Tell the chat, how's the vibes for the day?
Good vibes. Good vibes. Good vibes only it's a Friday.
There we go, Chad. Look at that. Beautiful. Give me. Huh? Beautiful.
Give
me a high
Friday
five.
now.
Look at that. Huh?
Are we doing beer Friday today?
Give Kiga a little hug there. Just give him some love. Oh, Chad. Look at that. Look at that, ladies and gents. Bro, you see, I told you the vibes are good. I will never throw you under the bus.
I still don't trust him, Chad. That's a skit he set me up there.
I promise you the vibes are legit. Keeks was now like
Chad,
a cat on a plate. He's like, oh shit. Man.
Chad, I promise you guys. I promise you. Christopher gets me, brothers. He knows. I know. I'm going to shit on you, bro.
Keeks, I'll delete the stream. I'll delete it.
Yo.
First, we're gonna get these bars, and then I'll delete the stream.
This guy, Chad.
Nah, Chad, you guys are making a scene now, and you're gonna choke him. Let's just chill. Take a deep breath. We're chilling.
Likewise, my wife goes to my phone because her phone social media is boring. No. It's Friday. Keith's very nervous right now.
Weird thing is, I think I told you my wife's phone For You page is just trading stuff, and I don't know why. I get a lot of like fit people on my page, which I don't know how to clear it off, Geeks. Let me see.
You don't know how to clear it off. You know, that's actually, there is a button where you can go click the 3 little dots and you can say not interested in this.
Okay, no, it's actually, okay, bro, I promise you, Chad, look at this. This is my For You page.
No, let's see the For You.
This is
that For You?
yeah. So, okay, I'm going to swipe. Okay, there you can see.
You know you're lucky, bro, because I know you've been watch shopping.
No. Okay, let's see. I've swiped up. Chad, it's still clean. Let's see here for the Chad. Okay, let's maybe refresh it a little bit. I wanna refresh.
Bro, you put a shift in, yeah.
It's actually very clean. Usually,
I was say you know it's not.
No, it's not always like. Sometimes there's fit people doing like fit things. But I'm not perfect, Chad. Okay, I'm gonna refresh it quickly.
Nah, mine honestly, Raven shouldn't actually be that bad.
Okay, no, you can't change it now.
No, I'm not. I'm literally going in.
Let's see. Okay, I refreshed it now.
Bro, I swear this is like a mission for this man to chalk me today. It actually isn't bad. Okay, Chad. It's literally beers and cars and trading.
Wait, let me see.
Before this man is gonna chalk me properly today.
Okay, let's see. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no, Chad, it's clean. It's clean.
Chad, you guys.
Okay, it's clean. I see it, Higgs. I see it.
Literally...
No, it's clean. It's clean.
Yeah. There's more bodybuilding men's on there then. There's not even a woman there.
Okay, I've been blitzed with watches, cars, and why you shouldn't fly economy.
I've got bodybuilding, trading, cars.
To the point where I was sitting last night on the app trying to see how much it's going to cost to upgrade to business.
Oh, Chad.
And,
I told you, this guy's on a mission to give me in Kakia today.
Now we
Jeez,
good,
I'm
bro.
worried for you. Guys, I was in the clear there now.
No, we good. I'm going to delete the stream though, but...
Show us Keeks' phone. Guys, I showed it to you.
Keeks, but you got to act normal though. You can't be like, what's the officer problem?
Chad, this guy.
Keeks is going to be there. What's the officer problem? And then she's going to be like, Keeks, why are you acting weird? Are you sure you oaks are mates? 100%. G-man. We're not mates, we're brothers. Separated at birth.
Being in a car group on WhatsApp is worse than Carl.
Golf groups, car groups, and hunting groups. It's unbiblical what goes on there.
And
I almost think the hunting groups are more intense. It's unbiblical.
Bro, this thing's taking long. Yo,
I'm gonna take it anyway.
do you do gambling sometimes?
No. Maybe
need
once or
24
twice. Maybe once or twice a year. but I'm not. We do enough gambling on the charts.
If I like anything with a girl in it, my followers will send it to my girl. Bro, that is crazy. I think, to be fair though, and I will give us this benefit of a doubt, I think when you pass that stage and there's a ring on it, I think we know we're not playing games anymore.
Bruh, I've literally been with my wife almost for the better half. So for more than half of my life, she's been in my life. Like, we've put in a shift, my dude. Like, we might as well just see it through. Might as well just, like, go for it till death do us part at this stage. Like,
golf groups are the worst, just archive.
no, the hunting groups are intense. I leave them. Like, while the trip is being planned, I'll be there. But after that, ungodly stuff happening there.
Nah, bro, I'm actually not even take this if it breaks down.
Yeah, because
This is out of session for us, bro. Bro?
No, the real men put in a session.
Nah.
My trading is not defined by one session, but about how many sessions I can trade. Okay, I'm gonna ask Brian. Brian, do we take it if we get it, or are we out of session?
Nah, bro. You know the rules. Man, literally did a call 2 nights ago with one of the rules being you do not trade out of session.
No, but this is still, don't limit your catch. Catch your limit. Bro, we gotta take it. We gotta.
Bro, I don't even know if you're gonna get it.
If we get it, you can. What time must you go? I'll ping you. I'll please call
before flipping. We
How
get
do
on
you
to New York, bro.
Andy. All of my stops are the same. So, how do you set your emotions? Yeah, so my stop losses are the same for every trade in terms of the dollar amount. So there's no, it's not like the one stop will be X
Bro,
amount.
you know what's just wrong there when we talk about this? Is David can post a photo of his foot and get 402,000 likes.
Who's David?
David Goggins.
Bro, David
He
really
literally
posts.
just posted a photo of his foot.
Trench foot, yeah. So I was actually going through stuff yesterday. He doesn't post a lot, but all of his reels get like 8 to 10 million views.
Oh, yeah.
David is just a different animal, bro.
Bro, he is next level with his stuff.
I watched this one, yes, I laughed. I went through his stuff because he doesn't post a lot. I think it's this one, Chad.
People I see, I want to say something too. But I don't like judging people. Because I don't know where the fuck they came from. What they had to deal with in life. So I shut the fuck up. So the other day...
No, it's not that one way, but it's one way it's like, he's a stupid motherfucker, but
I get a ton of emails. People want me to help them out. If I don't get back to them, the next email is usually not too nice. They want to cuss me out, disrespect me. I read rum this morning. This guy's overweight. He wrote a few emails. This last email was real disrespectful.
no, it's not that. Sorry. No, it's no. But there was one specific one that I was.
October 31st, I put a video up. It showed my leg with a lot of edema.
Just this guy's just different, huh? He also ran Moab 240 this past week. That's one thing I still want to do is a 100 miler. I have to.
We're back to that.
Bro, I have to. Like, jeez, 386, Moab 240. I think when I lose this last 13 kgs, then I want to start just slowly, not tell anybody, just start moving the body. No, Andy, for me, it's if I take a loss and it was in my framework, I take a loss. I think the issue is guys don't necessarily take responsibility for their trading, or you sometimes want to answer for the loss, and sometimes there's just no answer. It's the loss happened. Arizona Monster 300.
Nah, bro, I'm not trading this now.
You know what? As soon as you leave now, the volume's gonna come.
That's fine, bro.
No, I'm kidding.
Oh.
Moab 240. Have you checked the elevation on this thing, bro? It's like the equivalent of peaking Everest.
Nah, my brother. I don't know if you're gonna hang on then still, but
Of course I'm gonna wait, yeah. You don't have to wait here for me, bro. I'm gonna catch the pips on my own, yeah.
You do that then. Chad, I'm gonna see you guys in New York. I do have errands to go run. Hopefully I'm alive when I get back. If I'm not, we might have two marks trading because, as I said, I go down, he's coming down with me. So he just put a little prayer in there. But I will see you guys later, Chad.
Thanks, Kigo. But stay calm, man. Don't act weird. Keep a straight face if you're gonna. Cheers, my brother. See you soon. At what stage must I call it, bro? I think let me ask my best student, Brian. When do we call it? When do we call it? Yeah. Brian, chat to me. Chat, if Brian says we wait, we're gonna get it. We wait. Brian, so you'll take a trade out of session. For instance, let's say in the next hour it sets up, so you would still take it. Okay. Yeah, thing is, Chad, gold is in between VWAP and 200. So I do have a feeling this year this range is setting up for something. And we could be stuck in this range up until NYSE. but it is definitely setting up for something big. I think somebody mentioned earlier. What do you honk? A/B trading with volumes. What do you honk? I don't know what that means, my brother. Indices, unfortunately, right idea. I never got any retest, but that's technically. NFP. What about NFP? What's your opinion on trading with volumes? There's nothing wrong with it. I think there's nothing wrong with trading with tools that could assist your decision making, and if it can give you a edge, then there's nothing wrong, whatever you want to use. There's a lot of tools. I think when tools start to take away from your trading and not add an edge, but actually take your edge away, then obviously it's not a good tool. But if you can use it to your advantage, then use it by all means. There's no right or wrong. Tell us a story, Uncle Kribo. Okay, so story I want to tell you is thinking about death. There was always that uncertainty to a point. And then when I watched that podcast with the scientist that did all of those studies on guys that passed away and then came back to life, almost gave me peace. I don't want to say, because I recently lost my mother-in-law. I lost my biological father, my stepdad. I've gone through a lot of death in my life, and to a point that has almost gives me this feeling of like it's okay. So a little bit deep, but that's what I've been thinking about the last couple of days. You reckon 3R is a good month, Uncle Kribo? Jonathan, anything positive is a good month. You're setting yourself in the top 3% of traders if you close out the month positive. Here's the thing, even a break-even month, Jonathan, is good. Because this trading thing is not the easiest. It's not the most difficult. We are just our own worst enemy. I think for the most part, if you've been in trading long enough, I think you would have seen that if you go back, a lot of times your losses were you impulse trading and not following your plan. So you can, there's a lot of systems that if you follow it robotically, you're gonna make money at the end of the month, and that's the goal. Do you think gold is close to full? Andy, check my Instagram. I'm actually posting. I'm posting something today about it. Then you can go decide for yourself. Allahs make some of us not fear and react to death for a positive effect. Pablo, I think I told you when I had to put my dog down, I've got a very, very small heart. Like, for people, animals. And I think the thing with life is that if you think about the human life, like, our bodies are designed to live. And for instance, if you've seen somebody on their deathbed, where you literally wait for the person to pass away, you realize how strong the will to live is. Where the person hasn't eaten for a week, the person hasn't had any fluids, it's literally, the body is still holding on. So I think to a degree that is why we as humans fear death, because the will to live is so strong. And yeah, I think that is a big part of where it's like that unknown. Because like I said, it's not like you go visit Cape Town, you come back. So it's unknown, and as humans we don't like the unknown. We fear the unknown. So, but for me, it's still something that I sit a lot of days and I think about what is the purpose of this life? What is the purpose of everything we do? And to an extent, I've got the answer, but also to an extent, I don't want to say I fully have the answer. Because there's days where you feel like you're just like on replay. Feels like same routine in the morning, same routine in the evening. Yeah, it's weird. Then nothing wrong with sending out your CV, my brother. Huh? I'm just chilling a little bit. Masa, please call me. You never know. From laughter to deep convos here, 2Gs, you get it all. Jonathan, I think, huh? Huh? Oh, I thought you already took TP. No, I think that for me is the thing that I like to chat to people and ask what do they feel like is the purpose of life. But I don't know if I need to like convince myself still, but like I said, I truly believe if you think about it, and if you think about the prospect of God saying that He is love, and if you think about relationships, I do think that the purpose of life is to convey love to others and for other people to feel loved. And I think to a large extent this life is all about relationships. So I feel like that is what life is about. Because again, it comes back to it's better to give than to receive. And if you can uplift somebody and you can see that smile, or you can just say something to somebody and you immediately see like there's a little bit of life in them, that brings I think joy to all of us. Hey, my dude, I've been in depression, out of depression. I talked to a mate a couple of weeks ago, and I said, when I was younger, I never knew why people would talk about mental health. And then up until I went through quite a few things in my own life. Like I told you guys, my biological father committed suicide. I had my upbringing. It wasn't the worst. It wasn't perfect, but there's also like some domestic stuff at home. Lost my stepdad, but it was more like a real dad to COVID. My mom got shot 2 years ago. I lost everything financially, was also ruined about 4 or 5 years ago. And then I think we never deal with that trauma that you went through. And I think that's a large part of where depression, because here's the thing, you can be very successful financially and still be depressed. And you can be poor and in a bad financial situation and also be depressed. So I think depression to some degree, I think it's medical as well. For instance, I'm on medication for anxiety and depression, but I think to a large extent it's also mindset. Soldier, I basically I made some drastic moves which I never suggest anybody do, but yeah, I don't want to give you guys ideas here, so I'm not going to talk about it, because the last time I gave some information about maxing out my credit cards and stuff, the one guy from the chat sends me a message and he's like, yo, he's doing this, and I said, dude, absolutely don't do it. And I think he's 200k down after I told him withdraw the money immediately. And he's like, nah, Chris, you inspired me. And I'm like, no, that is not inspiring, that is desperation. Yeah, Lily, death is like my wife's stepdad. He's terminal. He's on end of life, and I told my wife last night, and I said it's just crazy how life is, that we still go on our day. He's like in a semi-coma, brain cancer. Like there's some blood flow that's been restricted because of the tumors and stuff in his brain. And I'm like, it's just now like waiting for another person to pass away. Yeah, I believe grief is something that you shouldn't hold in. I believe in the grieving process. I believe you should cry, you should do all of that, because if you build it up starts to project in other parts of your life. Hey, Brian, Clear Facer told me just apply for. Oh. No, Chad, that's why I say, honestly, if I think back on my life, I've seen so many times where God came through for me, and I cannot even take any credit for it. And sometimes it felt like, yo, God, you waited till 99.999 to come through. And it's like, but he still came through. Alrighty, Chad, that was a good one. Got a little bit deep there at the end, but sometimes in life you gotta go a little bit deeper. Funny how gold waits till the end. I do think we are gonna, we still relatively range bound here with the dollar, and yeah, gold also. As much as this is a big range, we are effectively in this range. So gold is range bound now. Gold is in this range. It's consolidating. It's building. And if you look here, you've got your session volume profile up there. And I think the longer we trade here, our session volume profile is actually going to shift down to here. So I do think from here we're going to get a big move. Like I said, I'm 100% thinking these highs. Again, I can be wrong, but something that's that clean. If you go ask any retail trader now to show you the resistance, they are salivating at that. So I think definitely this is gonna get ripped. But Chad, trade safe. We'll see you guys in the next couple of hours for the last round. Unfortunately, 2 L's here today. I'm honestly looking back, I wouldn't have done anything differently. The unfortunate thing was this literally missed our TP. Then we would have been done for the day. The other one we went with a little bit of a wider stop, so obviously the target's going to be wider. So yeah, technically 2 are down on the day after yesterday's gold trade being 1 or up. So I'm 1 or down on the week now. So very slow week for me. But yeah, we're gonna take what we get a little bit later. Do appreciate you guys joining. As always, it's been a pleasure. We're gonna see you guys at 3 p.m. Trade safe, be safe. Peace.
So I don't wanna go. But you're not alone. If I'm still breathing, we're still breathing. You and I. You're still alive, heart still beating.
Maybe bleeding, that's alright. But you're not alone. Still